Hi guys, welcome to Nell's Kitchen once again. Today I'll be making Caribbean banana pie, green banana pie. So you'll need some sharp cheddar, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, and I have here some mixed cheese. This is some peas and carrot. I put half spicy onion and half of a sweet onion diced together. I have here this is half pound of codfish boiled and I shred it out. This is 2 leaves of parsley and I chopped it up. 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, half a cup of flour, 3 beaten eggs in here, 1 cup of milk, and this is about 6 green bananas. It is cooked, so I will be mixing this into my NutriBullet and then we'll just continue. I'll show you how to combine everything together. Okay, so guys, here you go. By the way, I learned this thing 1 year. I went home and I tried this banana pie from my sister. She was baking this banana pie and I really liked it. I really enjoyed it. So I came home and I tried it for myself and decided to continue. Okay, I'll transfer this into here and then I'll mix another batch. I'll also add some of the eggs. If you don't have a NutriBullet, you could also use a masher, a potato masher, to mash your bananas, because once the banana is cooked, it is soft, so you don't really need the magic bullet to do it. It's just I use this because it is faster, so that's the reason why I'm using the magic bullet. Okay, so meanwhile I will set my oven just to preheat at 350 degrees while I'm adding all the other stuff to that. So okay, you see how it's nice and fine? So we'll add the parsley. Combine everything together. You could add any vegetables you want with it. The more vegetables, the better. Okay, add the balance of my eggs. Now I'll put my butter. And a little allspice. I'll also add a little minced garlic, maybe half a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add my sharp cheddar. This is like 200 grams of sharp cheddar. Parmesan cheese. So you will find the recipe at the end of my video. This is mozzarella. And a little mixed cheese. I'll add a little bit of chicken broth. Maybe 2 tablespoons of chicken broth. 1 tablespoon of flour. And guys, that's it. So now I'm going to make my pan. Okay guys, so here you go. I find it's a little bit too thick, so I add a little bit of beef chicken broth in it. So because of the saltfish, although I boiled it a couple of times, and all the cheese, it might have enough salt, so I may not add salt in it. But if you're a person that like a little bit more salt in your thing, let me just see if it needs some salt. Okay, yeah, I'll add a little salt, maybe half a teaspoon, about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I think it's ready to go. A little bit of 2% milk. I think I need a bigger spoon than this. Okay, so I'll be putting it in my pan now. So remember, this is codfish, green banana pie with codfish. Okay, so that's it. I will spread a little cheese over it. Okay, so here you go. That's it. So I will put it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Put it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes I'll be back with you. I'll set my timer for 45 minutes and I'll be right back with you after 45 minutes. After 45 minutes I'm gonna take this out from the oven. Beautiful. So guys, after 45 minutes this is how the pie will be looking. So I have whipped up a roux to go over the pie. So I'll be spreading it over the pie this way. you have to spread this evenly over that. Forgive me for the noise, but nothing should be wasted. Perfect. So I'm going to put that back into the oven for another 10 minutes. I'll set my oven for 10 minutes. Okay, and I'll be back with you after 10 minutes. So guys, after 15 minutes, after applying the roux on the top of the pie, I'm going to remove it from the oven. Okay, so this is how it will look. This is how it looks. So we have to let this stand, let it cool out, maybe about 30 minutes, and then you can slice your pie. So guys, try it at home, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Nell's Kitchen. And I will see you again next week with my other video. Bye guys, till next time.